Hey everyone, this is Jenna, and today we have a special guest, my daughter, explaining how to make chocolate cake in a mug.
Hey guys, this is Autumn, and I'm gonna tell you what to do. Add dry ingredients: 3 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon salt. Mix all together. Now add in the wet ingredients: 3 tablespoons half and half or milk, 3 tablespoons oil, splash of vanilla, 3 tablespoons chocolate chips. Mix all together. Once you mix all of your ingredients together, microwave 1.5 to 2 minutes. Top with ice cream, whipped cream, and sprinkles. If you enjoyed this and want to see more videos from my mama's page, click the subscribe button and share with your friends. Now you can go make your own cake in the mug.